Good morning, my dear students. It gives me great pleasure to talk to you students through video presentations like this as usual. In this particular video presentation, we'll discuss certain problems on linear inequations. Before going into the details of the problems, we'll just think about the real meaning of linear inequation. Any inequation of the form ax by plus c less than 0 or less than or equal to 0 or greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0 where a, b, c are real numbers and at least one of a or b is non-zero. If both are zeros, we will end up with c less than 0, less than or equal to 0, greater than 0, greater than 0. It makes no sense. There will be no variable involved. That's the reason why one of a or b should be non-zero. Is this such a inequation is called a linear inequation. I repeat, any inequation of the form ax by plus c less than 0 or ax by plus c less than or equal to 0 or ax by plus c greater than 0 or ax by plus c greater than or equal to 0 where a, b, c are real numbers, coefficients are from the set of real numbers and at least one of a or b is non-zero. Such an equation is known as a linear inequation. Now let me move on to the case how to go about the graphical solution of such an equation. Okay, first problem under this. Okay, solve x greater than 1. Solve x greater than 1. Let us draw x equal to 1 initially. Okay, now it is a straight line passing through. Just see here, this is how we draw the diagram. This is x equal to 1. Okay, x equal to 1 is the straight line. Is the straight line passing through 1, 0 and is parallel to y-axis. Okay, now 0, 0 does not satisfy x greater than 1 as 0 greater than 1 is meaningless. If I substitute the value, it doesn't satisfy. Therefore, region lies to the side of x equal to 1 where 0, 0 does not lie. Therefore, the shaded unbounded region. Unbounded means there is no fixed area. That's the meaning of unbounded region. Shaded unbounded region is the required region. Shaded unbounded region is the required region. Any point lying this side will satisfy the inequation. Required region. Okay, line x equal to 1, x is equal to 1 is drawn with dotted lines. Just to show that no point on the line will satisfy x greater than 1. Therefore, I draw it out with dotted lines. I repeat, let us draw x equal to 1 initially. X equal to 1 is a straight line passing through 1, 0. This is the point 1, 0 and parallel to y-axis. 0, 0 does not satisfy x greater than 1. This is greater than 1. You just see here. 0, 0 does not satisfy x greater than 1. Okay, x greater than 1. Okay, as 0 greater than 1 is meaningless. Sorry, it's not meaningful. I'm extremely sorry. 0 greater than 1 is meaningless. sorry, make the correction, or is not meaningful. Either way you can say. You can say either meaningless or not meaningful. 0 greater than 1 is meaningless. Sorry, see the correction here. Not meaningful or meaningless. Region lies to the side of x equal to 1 where 0, 0 does not lie. If 0, 0 satisfies, region lies to this side. 0, 0 does not satisfy, region lies to the other side. That's the meaning. Here, since it is a vertical line, I can say right, to the left, etc. I can say. Now, for shaded unbounded region is the required region. It goes further. Okay, you can put an arrow mark. It goes up to infinity everywhere. That's the meaning. The line is drawn with dotted lines just to show that none of the points on the line will satisfy the inequation. Another point on the line will satisfy the inequation. Try to understand how we go about it. In the next problem, let me not write everything, I'll just explain fully. Okay, I'll explain in a detailed manner instead of writing everything. Okay, next sum goes like this: y greater than 3. Okay, just see here. Now 1, 2, 3. Let me draw y is equal to 3. Okay, y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 is the straight line passing through 0, 3. Passing through 0, 3. Okay, and parallel to x-axis. See here, 0, 0 does not satisfy, as 0 greater than 3 is meaningless. 0 greater than 3 is meaningless. Okay, y is equal to 3. Just see here, y is equal to 3. It is not clear. Therefore, I am rewriting. Now for region lies to the side of y is equal to 3 where 0, 0 does not lie. Therefore, shaded unbounded region is the required region. Okay, this is how you are supposed to give the explanation. The line is drawn with dotted lines to show that none of the points on the line will satisfy the inequation y greater than 3, because points on the line will give you y is equal to 3. Now for y greater, since it is strictly greater than 3, it is drawn with dotted lines. Let me repeat. Y is equal to 3 is a straight line passing through 0, 3 parallel to x-axis. 0, 0 does not satisfy the inequation. 0 greater than 3 is meaningless. By mistake, even in the previous problem, I wrote it as meaningful. It is meaningless. Sorry, make the correction even in the previous one. I corrected anyway. Just see the correction. Now, for region lies to the side of y is equal to 3 where 0, 0 does not lie. Here, since it is horizontal line, you can write above, below. For slanting lines, we can't say so. Now, for shaded unbounded region is the required region. And the line is drawn with dotted lines to show that none of the points on the line will satisfy the inequation. None of the points on the line will satisfy the inequation. Okay, will satisfy the inequation. Share with your friends and advise them to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell icon, and then watch. Subscription has no charges. The rest we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you, students, for patient watching.